Brita UltraMax Large Water Dispenser Review, Sustainable, Convenient, and Reliable. The Brita UltraMax Large Water Dispenser is an ideal choice for anyone looking to enjoy purified water while reducing plastic waste. With a generous 27-cup capacity, this BPA-free countertop water dispenser can serve as a sustainable replacement for up to 1,800 single-use plastic bottles annually. Its compact, fridge-friendly design also makes it a great fit for both kitchens and offices. One of the standout features of the Brita UltraMax is its powerful filtration. Each standard filter removes the taste and odor of chlorine while reducing impurities like copper and mercury, enhancing the flavor and quality of tap water. Brita's sticker filter indicator also takes the guesswork out of maintenance, alerting you when it's time to replace the filter. With the standard filter, replacements are recommended every 40 gallons, about 2 months, while an upgrade to the Elite filter extends use up to 120 gallons or 6 months. The Brita UltraMax also shines in terms of convenience and ease of use. The dispenser's easy locking lid and precision pour spigot make accessing filtered water hassle-free. Its slim design means it can easily sit on a countertop or in the fridge, saving space while delivering a large supply of water for families or office environments. Specifications. Dimensions: 14.57 inches long, 11.18 inches wide, and 5.63 inches high. Weight: 3.04 pounds. Shelf life: 730 days. Pros and cons. Pros: large 27-cup capacity for fewer refills. Eco-friendly alternative, saving up to 1,800 plastic bottles per year. Filter change indicator for convenient maintenance. Fridge-friendly, space-saving design. Cons: frequent filter changes are needed for high-use households, every 2 months for standard filter. First use may show minor carbon dust, recommended for plants or discarded. Overall, the Brita UltraMax Large Water Dispenser is a practical investment for homes and small offices, providing an affordable and eco-friendly way to enjoy great-tasting water every day. For those who prioritize sustainability and convenience, this dispenser is a solid choice that combines function and form to meet everyday water needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.